Hello guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to upload photos in Google Drive and ShareLink. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. And then in this case, you'll need to go to drive.google.com and make sure you have already logged in to your Gmail account. Now, to upload things, go to the plus new and then go to File Upload. For now, let's do a folder upload. It's a collective upload of what is in a folder in your documents. So those are the two ways on how you can do it actually. In here, you can right click and then click on New Folder. When you make a new folder, you should name it depending on what it is. So it's a lot easier to organize. Once done, click on Create. Now the next thing to do here is open the folder. Now click on Plus New. Over here, choose File Upload. Over at File Upload, the next thing you need to do right here right now is to locate the files that you need to upload over at your Google Drive. Now wait for it to finish uploading. In here, you can see your data already uploaded. Now click on the name of the folder, then click on Get Link. Wait for the window this time to finish loading. Once the window has loaded, you will see here People with Access. Now on General Access, tap on Copy Link. Now change this one to, instead of restricted, to anyone with a link. And then click on Done. The next thing you can do now is you can give the link to friends of yours over Facebook Messenger, or you can share it to them via Telegram or anything. If you copy the link, just paste it over at your conversations. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.